Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, how are you today? Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Surya Putra. You can call me Sir Surya. And today, before we start our lesson today, let's say we contact and with Bismillah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Before we'll start our lesson today, I am going to ice breaking. This ice breaking is clap 1, clap 2, and clap 3. I say clap 1, you must clap 1. I say clap 2, you must clap 2. And I say clap 3, you stay clapping. You understand?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Clap 1, clap 2, clap 3, clap 2, clap 1, clap 3. Oke, sekarang fast, cepat. Oke. Clap 2, clap 1, clap 3, clap 2, clap 3, clap 1. Oke, maybe now. Okay. So today you know about the context. Who's know context? Siapa yang tahu apa itu context? Okay. Because you don't know about the context, I will explain about the context. Okay. Please look at the video. Please look at the video carefully. I will play this.
All the students wore traditional clothes. The day started with a flag-raising ceremony. After that, our principal gave a speech about the importance of Independence Day. In the afternoon, we played fun games. By the end of the day, we all felt proud to celebrate our country's Independence Day. It was a memorable day full of joy and excitement.
From this video is telling about Independence Day ceremony. This video is a context. Apakah video ini termasuk konteks?
Yes.
Right. It's easy to understand it. You watch video. Right. Okay. What is recontext? The recontext is a text used to recall past events or personal experience. Its purpose is to share information or entertain the reader by describing events step by step in the order they happen. Jadi, recontext adalah teks yang menceritakan tentang pengalaman seorang di masa lalu. And its purpose tujuannya untuk membagikan mengenai pengalaman mereka dan menghibur pembaca dan mendeskripsikan kejadiannya step by step, alright? And the structure of the context. The first is orientation. Orientation is the beginning section of a context. It provides the reader with basic details about the story, including what part where the event occurred and when it happened. So, in orientation is a first section of the context, and the next is events. Events are the central part of our context. This section describes the series of action or happenings that took place in the past. The story is arranged in time order, starting from the earliest event to the last one. So in events is a puncak dari rangkaian cerita or central of the story of the context. And the next is reorientation. Reorientation is the final section of our context. It presents the writer's personal thoughts, feeling or reflections about the experience This part provides a closing response to the events that were described. So reorganization is the final section of recontextuality, akhir dari sebuah cerita konteks atau kesimpulan dari rangkaian seluruh kejadian di konteks. Okay. And it's a linguistic in the context. The first is simple past tense. Simple past tense is used in a context because it tells events that happened in the past. The formula is subject plus verb to, or subject plus was or were plus complement or kalimat tambahan. Example sentences. Contohnya, I traveled to Yogyakarta 2 days ago. They were excited during the trip. And the next is action verbs. Action verbs are used to show activities or action in the story. The example of action verbs is time, cook, clean, help, and study. And the example sentence, for example, is my sister cooked dinner for the family, and we cleaned the classroom together. The cook is action verbs and cleaner. And next is time connectors. Time connectors are used to show the sequence of events in the story. For example of connector is at first, pada awalnya, later, kemudian, afterwards, setelahnya, meanwhile, sementara itu, and in the end, pada akhirnya. For example, sentence, at first, we prepare our equipment, later we started the journey. Pada awalnya, kami menyiapkan peralatan-peralatan itu, kemudian kami memulai untuk berjalan. Seperti itu. And then, is an example of context. My trip to my kids. Who is repeat? Siapa yang akan membaca? Okay, you read orientation, Mas Pandu.
Okay. My trip to my kids. Last Sunday, my family and I went to the kids near our town for a short holiday.
Who is a reader event? Siapa yang membaca events? Oh iya, Nana, silakan.
First, we prepared our food and drinks at home. Then, we left at 7 a.m. and arrived at the place an hour later. After that, we played in the sand and swam in the sea. My father took many pictures while my mother sat under the tree. We also together and enjoyed the fresh air.
Right. And the reorganization was
Yeah, right.
Mas Faisal.
Finally, we went back home. It was a memorable day for all of us.
Right. The sentences of this example is finally is example for time connectors. We prepare is action verbs, and we play in the sand and swam in the sea is for example time past tense. Play is past tense and arrive past tense. We prepare our food is action verbs. Okay, this example. And in here, I will to divide for group. I have a paper context. Discuss by group and arrange the piece of image used in the correct story order. So I have a picture. You must paste in here. Kalian tempel di sini and give your group name and class and give answer in real. Setelah ditempelkan, jadi kalian memberikan jawabannya di bawah sini. And presentation in here dan dipresentasikan di sini. Right. I will share to this paper. Thank you, sir. Yes. Okay. I understand, guys. Yes.
Okay. Aku iraw ko. Ya, ang presentasi ko. Sih.
Yes,
Last Sunday. Last Sunday. Last Sunday, I wake up in the morning.
Sektor. What do you think, guys? What do you know about this? Hey guys, give your some ID maybe.
I don't have any idea, but
Why?
maybe last Sunday
You have brain, okay?
he woke up in the morning. Last Sunday I woke up in the morning.
I didn't. No, I didn't. That's it.
yeah. Okay. Yes, yes.
That's ready, sir.
Who is ready to live in here? Go. Go ahead. Please stand in the presentation.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
We are from Group 1. I will presentation my our recon text. The context is about last Sunday was a happy day for me. I want to eat to the beach with my family. We played sand and took any pictures. We ate seafood near the beach. We went home at 5 p.m. And thank you everyone.
Okay. Give applause. Okay, what for you? Oh, what is this? And the next one is maybe Coco. Maybe Coco. Ready? Are to drink? Ready to wait in here? Yes. No.
First night, my family had movie time. Then I had some warm and tasty popcorn in the kitchen. We chose a funny movie to eat and everyone wanted to watch. After that, we watched the movie together. I believe it was a very fun night.
And I give you a picture. And the next one is group, maybe group 4.
We are from Group 4. Last Sunday, I woke up early in the morning with my mother. After that, we got ready and went to the market together. At the market, We met many sellers and looked around. Then I bought some snacks there. Finally, we came back home before noon. Thank you.
And the last,
Yesterday, I cleaned my bedroom. First, I swept the floor. Then, I arranged my room and clothes. Finally, my room looked neat. I feel very tired but happy.
Okay. The next is I give you homework. For your homework,
Oh my
please
God.
write 5 sentences about your experiences and uses past tense verbs and time continuous or maybe action verbs such as first, then, after that, and finally. Write in your notebook and collect in my text tomorrow Wednesday. Are you understand, guys? Did you have any question? Alright. Okay. Today, what's learned about today? Apa yang kita belajar? What is our context? And what is secondary structure of the context?
Orientation, events, and reorientation.
Yes. And what is linguistic or language feature of the context? What kinds?
Time connectives,
Yes.
past tense, action verbs.
Alright. Maybe now, under reflections.
No,
Okay. Maybe you know about this extent of the context. Before we'll close our lesson to this, let's do the close with hamdalah together. Okay. Thank you for your attention, guys, and see you on the next meeting. Don't forget to do this homework. I close this meeting today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.